A great leader's intuition is like the captain of a ship navigating uncharted waters. The instruments might provide data, but the gut instinct helps the captain decide when to stay the course or change direction. Intuition has a role in leadership. Intuition enables leaders to sense when something is off, anticipate potential problems, and make quick decisions when data is incomplete. It helps in reading team energy. Sharpen your intuitive awareness of team dynamics to identify stress, disengagement, or hidden conflicts. It also helps in balancing data and intuition. Leaders who combine analytics with intuitive insights can make well-rounded, effective decisions. Assess a recent situation where you sensed a problem before it was visible, and reflect on how your intuition played a role in your actions. Intuition has an important role in leadership and team dynamics. Imagine being a captain steering a ship through uncharted waters. A good leader relies on navigation tools and maps, but a great leader also trusts their gut instinct to guide them when the way forward is uncertain. In leadership, your intuition acts as that inner compass, guiding you to make decisions that logic and data alone might not reveal. Intuitive leadership is a key to dynamic decision-making. Leadership isn't just about facts and figures, it's about understanding people, navigating complexity, and making decisions when the path isn't always clear. Intuitive leaders can adapt quickly and make better decisions because they trust their inner compass. Think of intuition as a sixth sense for leaders, an invisible radar that helps you detect what your team needs, even when it's not explicitly said. It's the difference between managing and truly leading. It leads to adaptability. Intuitive leaders can read between the lines, adapt to changing circumstances, and respond to their team's unspoken needs. It helps with speed and accuracy. Intuition helps leaders make decisions faster when time is of the essence, while still maintaining accuracy. It promotes empathy and connection. Intuitive leadership fosters deeper empathy and connection with team members, allowing for more effective communication and problem solving. Use intuition to build team trust and cohesion. Introduce actionable strategies. Strong leadership means creating a team dynamic where trust is at the center. Intuition plays a critical role in sensing how your team feels, understanding what's left unsaid, and fostering an environment where everyone feels valued. Imagine intuition as your team's emotional thermometer. You can feel when the temperature shifts, whether there's tension, disengagement, or excitement, even before it shows up in words or actions. Your intuition will help you in reading the room. When leading a meeting, don't just focus on what's being said, pay attention to body language, tone of voice, and energy levels. Your intuition will pick up on the subtle cues that may indicate disengagement, frustration, or excitement. By noticing these signals, you can adjust your approach in real time. During your next team meeting, focus on nonverbal communication, and trust your gut to guide how you respond to the room's energy. Gut feeling comes to your rescue in conflict resolution. In team conflicts, data and logic can only take you so far. Often, the real issue lies beneath the surface, in emotions and relationships. Trust your intuition to guide you in resolving conflict by sensing the deeper needs or concerns of your team members. When mediating conflicts, tune into your gut instincts about what might be driving the tension and address the emotional undercurrents. Empathy and trust building. Empathy is the bedrock of strong leadership, and intuition allows you to sense when a team member needs support, even if they don't directly ask for it. Building trust through intuitive empathy creates a cohesive and engaged team. Check in with your team individually, paying attention to your gut feeling about who might need more support or motivation. Intuition is important in strategic decision-making. As a leader, you often have to make decisions without all the information or certainty you'd like. This is where intuition becomes your strategic partner, helping you make confident, insightful choices when data alone isn't enough. Think of intuition as your leadership X-ray vision. It lets you see through the surface-level noise and focus on the deeper truths that guide better strategic decisions. It helps build quick judgment calls. In fast-paced work environments, intuitive leaders can make snap decisions that align with long-term goals because their intuition has been honed by experience. You need to be balancing data and instinct. While data provides a solid foundation, the best leaders use intuition to fill in the gaps when numbers don't tell the full story. It helps navigating uncertainty. When the future is unclear, intuition helps leaders stay grounded and make bold choices, even without perfect information. In this exercise, you need to reflect on a recent leadership decision where intuition played a role. Were there gaps in the data but something just felt right? Analyze how you might fine-tune this skill moving forward. Lead teams with intuition in times of change. In times of change, whether it's a company restructuring, a shift in team roles, or industry disruption, intuition becomes even more critical. Leading through change requires the ability to sense team morale, anticipate challenges, and pivot quickly. Leading during change is like navigating a storm. Your team looks to you to be steady, and intuition acts as your lighthouse, guiding you safely through when the waters get rough. Sense the team's mood. When changes happen, people often experience fear or resistance. Intuitive leaders can detect these emotions early and address them before they escalate. Be proactive, not reactive. Intuition helps leaders foresee potential roadblocks and prepare in advance, rather than reacting after the fact. Calm team anxiety. Intuitive leaders know how to reassure and refocus their team during chaotic periods, offering stability and confidence when the future feels uncertain. Now you must identify an upcoming change in your team or organization. Tune into your intuitive feelings about the team's readiness and make a proactive plan for addressing any potential concerns. Intuition is a leadership superpower. Developing intuition isn't just a personal tool, it's a leadership superpower. By strengthening your inner compass, you can lead with empathy, navigate change with confidence, and build a team dynamic grounded in trust and understanding. Start using your intuition in daily leadership tasks, whether it's sensing team morale, resolving conflicts, or making quick decisions. Intuitive leadership isn't about being reactive, but about using your inner compass to guide the team toward success.